Why are you whispering?
That's because I thought you were whispering to me. You can turn this off anytime by asking me to turn off whisper mode.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. With 2022 here, you may be looking to make changes, and what better way to do so by getting the Amazon Echo Dot 4th Gen. Let's get started. The Amazon Echo Dot is shaped like a dome and is covered with a grey colored mesh cloth which does a good job of hiding dust and fingerprints. The buttons located on the top of the Echo Dot do not light up but are designed to stick out to make it easier to locate and press it. The button here includes the volume up and down button, mute button, and the Alexa button. All the buttons located here can be voice activated as well. Located at the bottom of the Echo Dot is a LED ring light that will light up blue when it is ready to accept your voice command and will light up red when the mic is muted. Moving on to the port located on the back, there is a power and a headphone jack. I've used the Echo Dot to control my smart light, and being able to control the light with my voice has been very handy. I can turn on the room light the moment I open the door without needing to look for the light switch, and I can dim or change the light color when I'm playing games or when I'm working at my desk. Moving on to listen to music, I like the bass and crisp sound quality from this Echo Dot. It has been enjoyable and it does sound a lot better than my Google Nest Mini. And making phone call is what I expected. I could hear the person on the other side with no issue, and the person on the other side had no complaints as well. The Echo Dot can be paired with a Bluetooth device such as a speaker or phone, and doing a search query has worked well for the most part as long as you keep the questions simple, such as asking about the weather. Alexa, what's the weather in Seattle?
In Seattle, United States, it's 6 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 6 degrees and a low of 0 degrees.
And if you're shopping for a product, it does struggle with certain questions such as asking what is the cost of a MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021. Alexa, what is the cost of a MacBook Pro 2021 14-inch?
A top result is Donk Premium Ultra Thin TPU keyboard cover, compatible with MacBook Pro. It's $13.59.
Another useful feature such as setting routines. I've set it up when I wake up in the morning by saying, Alexa, start my day.
In Vancouver, it's 2 degrees Celsius with rain. Today, you can expect snowy rainy weather, with a high of 2 degrees and a low of 1 degree. Currently, traffic on your commute looks good. The fastest route takes about 15 minutes via Highway 1 and Willingdon Avenue.
And when I'm about to go to sleep by saying, Alexa, good night.
Good night. Talk to you tomorrow. Welcome back to Sleep Sounds. Which sound would you like?
The Amazon Echo Dot looks great, but I'm not a fan of the spear-shaped design. I did not like how Alexa will misunderstand my voice commands, so for example, if I were to say, Alexa, play Cafe and Jazz, it will instead play another playlist not on my Spotify playlist. And when I tell Alexa to turn up the light, Alexa, turn up the light,
Okay.
it will either do nothing or turn off the light. What I do like about the Echo Dot is the bass sound quality, and I like how it has a mute button located directly on top of the Echo Dot for ease of access. And you can easily check your voice history on the Amazon Alexa app. So the Amazon Echo Dot is a good smart speaker at an affordable price, but I found myself more frustrated using the Echo Dot than my Google Nest Mini, and will only recommend the Echo Dot for those who like strong bass for the music. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. See you again!